Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Tweak Library. With the release of iOS 14, Apple has now added a handy picture-in-picture mode for apps that play video content. Now instead of choosing between browsing the internet and watching a video, you can easily do both. To do so, go to Safari and search for your desired video. For example, you can play video on YouTube in the Safari browser and play the video. Now tap on AA located at the top left corner and select Request Desktop Website. Now video will start playing in desktop website. Tap the play button to start playing the video. Now swipe up gesture on Touch ID. It will directly switch the video to picture-in-picture mode. Now you can drag the picture-in-picture video at the desired corners and get on with your regular tasks. So that's all for today's video. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.